Hello everyone, this is Advocate Nidhi Singh, founder NRI Legal Services. Today it is giving me a great pleasure to share with all of you that in India we are now in the post-COVID phase, which means that India is returning to normalcy very fast. The businesses, the economy, and now also the courts have opened and are progressing in the most normal manner. COVID may well be behind us, and it gives me a great sense of pride that India is one of the first few countries, in spite of our size and dimension and the population, we are fairly and squarely almost out of COVID. So this news I would like to share with all those clients who have shown immense patience, who have been with us. Their cases have been languishing in the courts, even though regular updates have been provided by our teams, which all of you know, and updates even when there were no updates. But and this was to tell you that we are with you. We understand that this is a difficult time, but we are watching over you. And of course, a lot of appreciation and a lot of acknowledgement from all of you. Thank you very much for our teams. And to all of you, I would say that that part is over, and we are looking at very rapidly covering up on time, covering up on speed, because that is the perspective of the higher courts. And one such judgment from the Honorable Supreme Court is very clearly defining what the judiciary is now looking at, where the trial court has been clearly ordered that adjournments will not be given unless it's absolutely necessary. So all those adjournments which were taken without a reason now would be history with this new judgment from the Honorable Supreme Court. So this is great sense of cheer for all the people who are litigating in India in the Indian courts. Also, I would like to tell those people who still have unresolved property issues in India that this is the time to now proactively look to resolve your issues, look to sort out your property matters, because we are now almost going back to pre-COVID scenario, and the courts would be working absolutely normally. So there is no cause for you to delay filing or taking care of your property matters through lawyers. Even those who cannot travel, which I know that in most countries in the West, travel is still restricted. You can definitely handle your matters through professionals who can now give you a great representation in India. So with this, I would want people who are regularly writing to us, telling them that they do not need to worry. We would be now covering up on a lot of backlogs with our cases, and we would be updating them as and when the progress is made. So with no more adjournments, no more tariq pe tariq, which is what our Honorable Supreme Court has stated in this judgment, to all of you who still have unresolved issues in India, this is the time to now make sure that your issues are taken care of. Please do not delay. The real estate and all the other areas are now pretty buzzing in India, and a lot of people are contacting us for selling their properties, repatriation of their funds, and there are a lot of people who have written and given us their testimonials, which is on the website, which is for their appreciation. To all of you who have properties in India and would like to at some point liquidate them, I would suggest that if that is your aim, then you must understand that it is the entire chain of services that you need, which is you need to have your property documents in order, you need to have those properties transferred in your name, and you would also, if it's a joint ownership with your siblings or with your cousins, then you need to severe it and partition it to have it all in your name, and only then you would be able to reach the stage of selling those properties. So this is the time for you to start planning your how you want to tackle your estate in India. And even if you cannot travel, you could always hire a professional lawyer to do that for you, and I'm sure you would get the desired results. There's anything that you require, or any consultation or any feedback, we are always there. Our teams are there, our local teams are there all over the world, wherever we have our offices. They'd be happy to help, but I would suggest that you get going on your estate matters in India, because India now is fully functional, India is absolutely normal, and we have beaten COVID, it seems. Just like the diaspora, the resilient and the strong diaspora making its mark all over the world, the Indians in India are also resilient. May it be our immunity, may it be the government's vaccination program, and may it be our ability to fight back a crisis. It seems that we are over COVID and COVID is behind us. With this news, I would say that it's time for us to celebrate and time for us to move forward, look ahead with confidence and hope. Thank you very much.